So I am so excited, you guys, because I found some really cool items at the Walmart. The first item I found was this long chain, and it was only about $3.88. I also found this cute pink chain. It's 3 separate pieces, but I love the design, the shell feel. These beautiful charms. And I found this multi-pack of clasp and earring holders. And I'm not sure what the little flat things are to the bottom. And then I also have, well, the chain came with these bigger clasps as well. So the first thing I did was lay the chain out. And as you can see, it is very long. And so I'm just going to wrap it into two and pretty much put it around my arm so I can see how much arm space I would have, because I am making it into an Apple Watch band. And so I didn't want it to be too tight, but I also don't want it to be too loose. So I'm just going to kind of play around with it to see how much space I'll have. So I don't know the correct name for these, but I'm going to call them watch adapters. But I got these off of Amazon. And I was trying to find my silver ones, but I couldn't find them. So I'm going to use these. All I'm going to do is take the bigger hoops that were in the pack that came with the chain, and I'm going to use them to link the chain together to actually make it half of its current size. And all I'm doing is pulling them apart to make a little hole so that I can insert it. And I was trying to use my tweezers, but they wasn't holding as good, so I decided to use this nail trimmer instead. And I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but I just got a little hole, and I'm going to stick the adapter in there, and I'm going to close it up once I link it onto the chain. And that's going to actually give me my watch band set up. So once I have that nice and secure on there, and I can make sure that it's not going anywhere, I pretty much have my foundation for my watch band. So I'm going to take these smaller hoops and I'm going to pretty much do the exact same thing. I'm going to connect the rest of the chain links onto the band adapter. And I am basically repeating the same step for the opposite side of the band. So I'm just going to be adding these little loops to both ends just to close up my watch band and actually create a smaller band. So now that I have that all closed up, I'm going to go ahead and put my actual watch onto the adapter just so I can make sure that it's not too big and not too loose. I want it to fit just right. And there it is. For me, I still think it's kind of big. So what I'm going to do is take some of the loops and just tighten it up just a bit more for me. Then I'm going to go in with them same little loops and I'm going to add my charms. And it's pretty much the same process, just a little faster. And once I place my charms, there you have it. I'm all done. I was very excited to make it. It does look a little small right here, but once I put it on my wrist, it fit so nice. And I still have room to turn it around so that I can take it off when I need to. I love the charms. I'm going to go back to Walmart to see if I can find some more charms that I can add to it. So this is my watch band charm bracelet and I am loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.